come.
Pranav, eat that noodle. Can you eat that noodle? Don't put it on the table. Just
Pranav,
eat it.
eat it. Eat it.
Do you like noodle or not?
Blowing. The noodles, winding and blowing. Winding and blowing.
What is it? Noodle is?
Roro.
Huh.
Winding.
What is Mama doing, Pranav?
I did it, Daddy.
You did it very good. Mama, can you get some more noodle for Pranav, Mama?
Someone noodle. Someone noodle, Daddy.
Why don't you eat that carrot noodle also?
Finish it. Only if you
Can
finish
you
it.
eat?
And then I finished it.
Can you finish some more carrot noodle? Put that.
Carrot noodle.
It's a little hot, but Kuti. Blow it.
Blow it.
Blow it.
Blow it. Owie. It's not hot. It's fine.
It is not hot, it is fine. Okay.
Oh man.
Hot. Fine.
Eat it.
Roro.
Do you like that noodle?
Yummy, yummy noodles.
This is a tunnel.
Hmm.
Oh, Banbini. Don't eat it. Don't eat the noodle.
Don't eat the noodle. Why not? Daddy wants to eat that noodle.
No, you did not eat it.
I want to eat it. That is Daddy's noodle. Give it to me.
This banana is not allowed.
That's not Pranav's noodle. That is Daddy's noodle. Give it to me, Pranav.
You take one noodle. One. Big one.
Why only one? I want to eat more than one noodle. Give it to me.
One.
Okay. Thank you.
And two.
Yeah, so give all the green vegetables to me and then you eat only raw noodle without any veggie, okay?
Three.
Enough. Now you eat the noodle.
4.
That's for you to eat.
I did.
You did it? Okay. Left all the green veggie in my hand and he started eating.
Eat it. Eat it in the mouth. Pop it in the mouth.
Eat it also. After that he is threatening me to.
5. No. You have 5. A broken. You have 5. This 5 coming out.